The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a tornado warning for East Central Evangeline Parish in central Louisiana, Southeastern Avoyelles Parish in central Louisiana, Northeastern St. Landry Parish in central Louisiana, until 10:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:56 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Prairie Ronde, or near Opelousas, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Opelousas, Fort Barre, Washington, and Grand Prairie around 10 p.m. Central Standard Time. Palmetto and Lebeau around 10:05 p.m. Central Standard Time. Melville around 10:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. Bayou Current around 10:25 p.m. Central Standard Time. This includes Interstate 49 between mile markers 20 and 36. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornado Watch number 6 remains in effect until 2 a.m. Central